Hey y'all, it's Welder here one more time here for snowplownews.com. We're here at the end of the work truck show, and we just found out one last neat little thing from Ford here, and we wanted to talk about before we went out of here. All new 2020 Ford Super Duties, the 250, the 350, 450, and 550 from that are now going to come standard with a plug-and-play plow system, even if it doesn't have the Plow Prep Package. So later down the line, if you want to put a plow on the truck, the wiring harness is going to be here. So when they did this year, as you guys know, they came out with the new 7.3 gas motor. Everybody got excited about that. It's a big block V8, and they're still going to offer the 6.2 motor and then the 6.7 diesels. But the neat thing about this with this Plow Prep Package is you're not going to have to cut and splice the wiring harness to make the plow lights work. Ford went out and put this plug in all the trucks. It's right here behind the fender on the passenger side. You pop the hood, and tucked inside the fender here, there's, I think they said there's a 9-pin plug that's going to activate all the plow wiring. That's going to be a big game changer here for upfitters and installers and snowplow dealers. It's going to be a little less aggravation because a lot of times with taking these trucks apart, you're very chance of damaging. So that's going to be a big game changer here in the business. So as you guys know, we do a lot of Ford trucks in our business. The Ford truck seems to be like the most popular plow truck out there. I know my dealership we do it. We've talked to a lot of other dealers. It seems to be the most ones it is because, again, Ford has a really nice, decent plow prep package and handle the bigger plows. And it also has an all-aluminum body. You guys know they don't rust in the salt with the aluminum body. So I hope you guys had a bunch of fun. Make sure you check out all the other videos we did here today with Snowplow News. There's a lot of neat stuff in this industry. So check out all our videos and make sure you like, share, and comment on all of them. And I hope we'll see you here next year at the Work Truck Show. Thank you.